Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today, I'm gonna show you how to pay with Apple Pay at Target correctly. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Paying with Apple Pay at Target is very easy and simple. Just go to your browser and open Target's website. Add items to your cart. Now go to your cart. Now you can see there's an option sign in to checkout. Currently in my case, I'm not signed in, so it should be an option for go to checkout. In the checkout option, you will see various type of payment methods. In case of iPhone, you will see this option for Apple Pay. You can pay by tapping this option easily. If you don't have an iPhone but still want to pay with Apple Pay, you just need to have an Apple card. And you can pay with it by giving its information by selecting MasterCard in the payment section. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.